The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. From the depths of our oceans to the far edges of space, science reveals things that sound more like fiction than reality. Today, we're exploring 20 mind bending science facts that will leave you amazed. Stay with me until the end. Fact number 20 will completely change how you look at existence. Fact 1. Lightning strikes the earth 8 million times a day. At any moment, around 2000 thunderstorms rage across the planet. Together, they produce nearly 8 million lightning strikes every single day. That's about 100 times per second. Fact 2. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts returning from spacewalks reported a strange smell on their suits, like seared meat or hot metal. This scent is caused by high energy vibrations mixing with air upon re entry to the spacecraft. Fact 3. A teaspoon of neutron star weighs a billion tons. If you could somehow scoop a teaspoon of matter from a neutron star, it would weigh as much as a mountain, about a billion tons. This is because the star's core is packed so tightly that a single sugar cube of it would outweigh every car on Earth combined. Fact 4. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. There are roughly 3 trillion trees on Earth compared to about 400 billion stars in our galaxy. For once, Earth actually wins a numbers game. Fact 5. Earth actually wins a numbers game. A block of bone the size of a matchbox could support 9 tons of weight. That's like holding up a truck. Fact 6. Space isn't completely silent. While sound can travel through a vacuum, space is full of electromagnetic vibrations. NASA has converted these into audio recordings, and the results are eerie. Humming, shrieking, almost alien sounds from distant planets and stars. Fact 7. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. Everything else, all the planets, moons, asteroids, together make up less than 0.4%. It's a reminder that we are just tiny specks orbiting a giant nuclear furnace. Fact 8. Some metals can float on water. Metals like lithium, sodium, and potassium are so light that they actually float. But be careful, some react explosively with water, creating dramatic chemical fireworks. Fact 9. There's a planet made entirely of diamond. About 40 light years away lies 55 Cancri E, a planet believed to be covered in graphite and diamond. It's twice the size of Earth, and experts say at least a third of it could be solid diamond. Fact 1 or speed contains tiny amounts of gold. An average human carries about zero point 0.2 milligrams of gold, mostly in the blood. It plays a role in transmitting electrical signals and maintaining health. Fact 11. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Known as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon is responsible for a huge portion of the oxygen we breathe every second. It's quietly sustaining life all over the planet. Fact 12. There are clouds in space that contain alcohol. Astronomers have found giant clouds of ethyl alcohol floating between stars. One such cloud contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Though you wouldn't want to drink it, it's mixed with deadly chemicals. Fact 13. You shed about 40 pounds of skin in your lifetime. Dead skin cells make up most of the dust in your house. Over the course of your life, you shed enough skin to fill a large suitcase. Fact 13. You shed about 40 pounds of skin in your lifetime. Dead skin cells make up most of the dust in your house. Over the course of your life, you shed enough skin to fill a large suitcase. Fact 14. There's a lake under the Antarctic ice. Hidden beneath more than 4 kilometers of ice lies Lake Vostok, one of Earth's largest subglacial lakes. It's been sealed off for millions of years, and scientists believe it may host ancient unknown life forms. Fact 15. Your brain creates electricity while you sleep. During deep sleep, your brain produces electrical bursts strong enough to power a small light bulb. It's working hard to organize memories, heal the body, and reset your mind. Fact 16. A single bolt of lightning is hotter than the sun. A lightning bolt can reach 30,000 Kelvin, which is 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. The energy released is enough to light a 100-watt bulb for 3 months. Fact 17. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus rotates extremely slowly. It takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. That means on Venus, a single day is longer than a year. Fact 18. You are technically moving through space at 1.3 million miles per hour. The Earth rotates at about 1000 miles per hour, orbits the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. The Sun orbits the galaxy at 490,000 miles per hour, and the galaxy itself moves through space. Add it all up right now as you sit still. You hurtling through the cosmos at over 1.3 million miles per hour, and you don't even feel it. Fact 19. There are more microorganisms in your gut than stars in the galaxy. Your intestines are home to around 100 trillion microorganisms, more than all the stars in the Milky Way. These microbes help digest food, fight disease, and even affect your mood. In many ways, you're more microbe than human. Fact 20. Black holes can slow down time. Near a black hole, gravity is so intense that time itself slows down. If you watch someone orbiting close to a black hole, their clock would tick slower than yours. For them, only a few minutes might pass, but for you, years could go by. It's one of the strangest real effects of Einstein's theory of relativity. From lightning storms to diamond planets, glowing brains, alcohol clouds, and time warping black holes, science proves that the world and the universe are far stranger than we ever imagined. If you enjoyed this deep dive into hidden truths, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because the universe is full of secrets and together we'll uncover them one by one.